Alright, what is up guys? Welcome back to another video. We're taking a quick look at Vechain here, and as we can see, looking like we are continuing to the downside here, having a bit of a sell-off and continuation. After losing this previous area of resistance as support, we tried to retest as support here, didn't we? But we came back inside. And you can see here we've fallen into this area of structure right now. Looking like Vechain essentially is just, you know, kind of chopping sideways really in this area. We've obviously been coming down into it here. We've got the retest of the low. We've had low volume and low interest in movements in the market over the past few days. Really because Bitcoin had that really big immediate sell-off, didn't it? And now Vechain looking like it's really just been kind of trickling to the downside. Very low volume and interest in the markets over the past few days. Really we have just been, you know, kind of just declining in a very slow, neutral kind of way. Not many moves in either direction with any particular amount of volume or interest. Right now looking like we're heading back down to support again, aren't we? After, you know, trying to have this burst to the upside, but the bearish divergence has started to win the day, and we have, you know, come back down here and then rolled again. And now looking like we're probably heading back down to the bottom of the range again, as I said in previous videos. You can see Vechain here. Now that it's, you can see we've obviously had this all marked out for such a long time. Come down here into the range, resistance support. We come down, lose the low because of the FTX collapse, but we have this descending wedge like we did for pretty much every single altcoin. We broke out, and then in the new year, really big New Year's rally. Come back inside the range, back test it as support, and then, as I said, took that long position, got filled, got nice profits taken halfway up the range here, got the slight overextension up into that 0.23 Fibonacci. Came back down, looking like we wanted to retest as support here, but then lost the support, and now looking like we're coming back down to the bottom of the range yet again. Like I said, really not that much to say about cryptos today, other than the fact that they are essentially having a continued retracement or just chopping sideways, just like Bitcoin has been. Really low volume and interest, like I said, just consolidating and everyone trying to figure out what's going to happen next. But as I said, the way that I'm trading this, keeping things very simple. I am, now that we're back inside the range, I will be trading the range until it breaks. So I'll be adding long positions here and short positions at the top of the range until we see ourselves break out, back test, and continue in either direction. If we break up here, break out, back test, and continue like this. Until we see that, I'm just going to be trading the range until it breaks in either direction. And until that is the case, we are just sitting on our hands waiting for things to play out inside the range. So taking longs here, taking shorts here, but right now not doing anything, just waiting to see ourselves come to one of those levels. I do think from what we're seeing here, Vechain's probably going to come back down to the low of this range again like this, and maybe get a bounce in that area when we found a really strong area of support. So that is it for today, guys. There's really not that much to say. Not much happening over the past few days in cryptocurrency. But as always, thanks a lot for watching. Please do like and subscribe if you haven't already. And if you do want to support the channel, please do consider becoming a YouTube member by clicking the join button down below. You'll get access to our private Discord where I'm hanging out every day with other investors. So if you do want to get an edge on the markets, please do consider becoming a member. It's a really good way to support the channel. And I'll see you in the next video.